Hey guys, if you want to root your Pixel phone, install a custom ROM, or just have full control over your device, unlocking the bootloader is the very first step you need. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock the bootloader of any Pixel phone, step by step, in a simple way that even beginners can follow. Alright, for this video, I'm using a Pixel 6a running the latest Android 16. But don't worry, this exact method works on all Pixel devices, whether it's an older Pixel or even the newest Pixel models like Pixel Folds. Just keep one thing in mind, unlocking the bootloader will completely wipe all the data on your phone. So before you do anything, make sure you back up everything important. Now, the very first step in unlocking the bootloader is enabling developer options. Open Settings, go to About Phone, and tap on Build number 7 times. Keep tapping until you see the message, "You are now a developer." Once that's done, go back to the main settings screen, open System, and then tap on Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, scroll down and look for OEM unlocking. This step is required, because without OEM unlocking, the bootloader cannot be unlocked. Now scroll a little further down and enable USB debugging as well. This allows your Pixel phone to communicate properly with your computer. Once both options are enabled, it's time to connect the phone with PC using USB cable. As soon as you connect the device, you'll see a pop-up on your phone for USB debugging. Just tap Allow to grant access. Now let's move to the PC screen. Now on the PC, open your browser and search for Platform Tools. This package includes ADB and Fastboot, which are required for the next steps. Download the platform tools for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm using Windows, so let me download the Windows version. Once the download is complete, extract the platform tool zip file as well. After extracting, you can delete the zip file if you want, and open the extracted platform tools folder. Now, click on the address bar at the top, type cmd, and press enter. This will open the command prompt right inside the platform tools folder. Next, in the terminal, run the command adb devices. If you see a serial number listed, that means your device is connected properly. Now run this command adb reboot bootloader and press enter. This will restart your Pixel phone and take it straight into Fastboot mode. Just wait a few seconds until phone boots into Fastboot mode. Once your Pixel phone boots into Fastboot mode, type this command, Fastboot flashing unlock, and press enter. As soon as you run this command, look at your phone screen. Your Pixel will show a confirmation message asking if you really want to unlock the bootloader. Use the volume buttons on your phone to move the selection to unlock the bootloader, and then press the power button to confirm. This step will erase all data and unlock the bootloader of your Pixel phone. Once the process is complete, you'll see that the device state has changed to unlocked, which means the bootloader unlock was successful. Now press the power button to reboot your phone. From now on, every time you restart your Pixel, you'll see a bootloader unlocked warning screen. This is completely normal, and will stay there as long as the bootloader remains unlocked. Alright, let me fast forward through the setup process and quickly set up the device again. And now the device has rebooted. Let's quickly confirm whether the bootloader is unlocked or not. I'll go ahead and enable developer options again, and we'll check it in just a moment. And there we go. You can see the bootloader already unlocked message, which means our Pixel bootloader has been successfully unlocked. So by this method, you can unlock the bootloader of any Pixel phone, using a PC or even without a PC. Now, if you ever want to relock the bootloader, the process is also very simple. Just remember one important thing. Your Pixel must be running completely stock firmware before relocking the bootloader. Now to relock the bootloader, connect your Pixel phone to the PC again, and reboot it into Fastboot mode, just like before. Once you're in Fastboot mode, go to the terminal and run the command Fastboot flashing lock and press enter. As soon as you run this command, your phone will show another confirmation screen. Use the volume buttons to select lock the bootloader and press the power button to confirm. The phone will erase all data again and relock the bootloader automatically. After the process is complete, reboot the phone. The bootloader unlocked warning will be gone, and your Pixel will be back to a fully locked, factory-style state. And that's it. This is how you unlock and relock the bootloader on any Pixel phone in a clean and safe way. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple and easy Android guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.